Welcome back to this short series of overviews for e-learning from the Engineering Institute of Technology and IDC Technologies. One of the common questions that seems to arise from some students after they've made the commitment and worked out about the number of hours that are required for the course that they are interested in and they've enrolled, what would happen if personal circumstances or workload increased to an extent where they couldn't continue with the course? Well, there's no problem. Basically, we do have a deferral option, which means that you would simply, this is referring to the advanced diploma courses, for example, stop the work on the course that you were, the group that you were working with, and sort out your issues and wait for the next intake to catch up with the module that you most recently successfully completed. So, for example, you're working through one of the advanced diplomas, you get up to module 6, let's say, and at that point you find that the workload is too much to fit into your lifestyle. Okay, you let us know and we'll hold a place for you on the next intake, and when that intake starts and then catches up to module 6, we'd get in touch with you and you would simply pick up where you left off. Now, how long would that take? It depends how many intakes there are of a course during a year. So, for example, for the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation, there are usually 3 intakes per year, so you can count on about a 4-month wait if ever you had to defer from one intake and join the next. For other courses, they might be held only twice a year or even once a year, so there can be a difference in the amount of time that you have to wait before you can rejoin the class. But it's there, it's an option. There is a small administration charge for deferring. It's not huge, and the course coordinator can give you that information. But the option is always there if your workload or personal circumstances change. All right, another question that comes up a lot is, what about industry recognition? What about the accreditations that the course has got? Okay, we have accreditation that varies depending on where you're doing the course, the relevance of the accreditation. For example, internationally, the IEEE is well recognised. We are a recognised education partner of the IEEE, and just about all of our courses are eligible for continuing education units through the IEEE. We have also local accreditations in various countries. For example, the Engineering Council of South Africa has our courses, Advanced Diploma and Certificate courses, accredited for continuing professional development points. We are a registered training organisation in Australia, and the Advanced Diploma courses are accredited nationally under the Australian Qualifications Framework, which means that they're rigorously checked and audited by the national government and recognised automatically by employers as genuine Advanced Diploma courses. And you can see some of the other logos on your screen there where we have some sort of validation or accreditation that may be relevant to your particular circumstances. If in doubt, there's a section on the EIT website about accreditation. Please have a look at that. Or if you have a specific question about your situation, just let us know and I'll reply to you. And another question that comes up a lot, of course, is what about career opportunities after I've finished the course? Well, the certificate courses are really designed for personal and professional development. They're 3-month short courses, and they're intended just to give you an update of a particular subject area, bring you up to speed, upskill you, and help you in that particular aspect of your work. The Advanced Diploma courses, obviously 18 months, they're much longer, and they're designed for more detailed coverage and in-depth work on a subject such as industrial automation or data communications or applied electrical engineering and so on. The Advanced Diploma courses probably have more strength for employment prospects, but of course there's never a guarantee. The best thing we can recommend is that you approach your existing employer or potential employer with a copy of the information about the course that you plan to study and ask directly, will this help me in my career with you? And I think in a lot of cases, because the courses are so well recognised and because I think you'll find the content is very relevant, very industry driven, you'll find that you'll get a positive answer. But it's always worth checking. Please don't rely on information from anybody else other than the employers that you plan to work with. Okay, in the next short video, we're going to take a look at the remote laboratories that we use to make the online learning that much more interesting. And we'll introduce Dr. Steve Mackay, our Technical Director, who will explain some background about those remote laboratories. So that's in the next video. Thank you for listening so far.